I've used Abacus a few different times. They've been very helpful. I primarily have used them for plumbing services. They come and flush my water heaters. I have two water heaters in my attic. Abacus is able to help me where other companies haven't been able to. I've also had a pipe in my ceiling that was leaking, and Abacus came out and fixed that same day. I didn't even have to wait and watch it keep leaking. So I'd say that they're very punctual and effective at what they do, and I'm very pleased with their service. I highly recommend Abacus to family and friends.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning, and Electrical. You can count on us.